When it comes to SAP, let's be honest. Procurement often feels like you're walking into a game where SAP wrote all the rules. So, here's the question. Are you running the process, or is SAP running you? Procurement leaders know that SAP negotiations aren't just about pricing, it's about alignment, getting finance, IT, and legal on the same page. It's about having a structured process, checklists, governance, and clear escalation paths so SAP can't divide and conquer. Think about it. Without a strong vendor management strategy, you risk hidden costs, contract traps, and pressure to sign deals that favor SAP's timeline, not yours. But with the right playbook, procurement becomes your leverage. You can set deadlines, benchmark against the market, and make sure every proposal is tested before you commit. Bottom line, strong procurement discipline is what keeps control in your hands, not SAP's. If you want to build that discipline and turn vendor management into a source of power, talk to us. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises take back control of their SAP negotiations.